Hello, I am obviously Albert Einstein and not Captain Lugo of the sophomore class. I've recorded myself today so that the near future and generation may learn about my relativity theory and how it affects the world in which we live in today. For starters, I was born in 1879 in Germany, and as I was growing up, I contributed much to the scientific world of atomic energy. The theory of relativity is founded on the idea that only relative motion can be measured. This contradicts Newtonian's conception that space and time are absolutes when really they are not. Time and position are all relative to the observer, so all motion can be measured only in relation to the observer who performs the measurement.
Wow! Albert Einstein, live and in person, and so close.
Actually, Vicky, she's really far away.
Have you never listened to Einstein's lectures?
I go into detail with this idea in my 1905 paper, The Electrodynamics of Moving Bodies, and I also show how the theory demonstrates the relativity of time. And this year, I contributed a total of 3 papers to the Annales de Physique, a German scientific periodical. Go. I began my advanced theory when I was only 26. I completed my theory of gravity, known as the General Theory of Relativity, in 1915 and presented it to the present Academy of Sciences. When I presented this theory to the general public, it changed the political balance in power in the 20th century through my scientific foundation in the development of atomic energy, along with my formula E equaling mc squared, which is energy equals mass times the velocity of light squared. In my other paper, Brownian motion, I was able to confirm the atomic theory of matter, and for many, this is the first actual proof that atoms exist. I also built upon the work of Max Planck, who introduced the quantum theory called black body radiation, where the black body does not reflect the light and absorbs in all the energy of the lighting falling into it. My explanation for this is that light is not a continuous energy, but instead, light energy exists in a tiny stream of particles known as quanta. With my theory of quanta, I was able to explain the photoelectric effect. I showed that when a quantum of light strikes atoms in the metal, the quantum forces the atoms to release electrons. My theory says that even pure energy has to behave in some ways like mass. Therefore, light could be bent by the gravitation force of the sun. The quantum theory and photoelectric cell resulted from my work, and through that device you are able to see me now in this beautiful production. Later you can go home and wish time travel was possible so that you could experience this video again, and again, and again, and again.